All right, you want to do a little commentary, Mom? A little commentary.
Spencer, tell me what's on your floor.
Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers. And what are they doing?
Sleeping.
Are they sleeping? And were you kissing them all good night? Yeah. Tell me about your...
Picking them up. Kissing them.
Can you show me?
So. Like that.
Someone has been very interested in Daddy's screwdrivers lately. And tonight, the screwdrivers are sleeping in Spencer's room.
So, Spency, after you're done kissing them, are you going to cover them up with a blankie?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 blankies.
2 blankies, okay. Boy, you know, I can tell that those screwdrivers just love all those kisses you're giving them.
Put them all around.
Oh, you're going to mess them up a little, huh?
Yeah. Mess them up. You don't know, Mommy.
Okay.
All right.
Mess them up.
All right, should we cover them up now?
No, mess them up. You don't know what.
Okay.
Spencer, can you tell Mommy when your birthday is?
March 9.
March 9. How old are you right now?
2.
2.5.
2.5. Sing them back.
Or 2.5, right?
2.5.
You big boy, aren't you?
There you go. There's another blankie behind you, buddy. There you go.
Are you going to sing the screwdrivers a little song?
Yeah.
What are you going to sing them?
You sing with me.
Okay, what song should we sing?
Daddy's song.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Should we rub their backs?
Shut. Look.
2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama Duck said...
No need blankets.
Okay, what did Mama Duck say?
Tat, tat, tat.
And only one of her ducks came back. See?
No, don't need a blanket.
Oh no, okay. Can you say goodnight to the camera? Can you give the camera a kiss? Say love you.
Love you.